Good morning guys, in front of me is CAT S75 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you wish to personalize and click on Edit. Now tap on Add Photo and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery, however you like. I would like to pick something from my gallery. Let's pick, for example, this one. You can crop it however you like, you can customize it, you can rotate it, and then click on Save Copy once it is set up in accordance with your preferences. Tap on Save then, and that's it. As you can see, the picture is applied, so anytime Anne will be calling me, I will be able to see this profile picture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.